So he's taking a Python programming class, right? Just, doing all the things I loved. And I'm trying to relive my life through him. He asked for it. He's been wanting to do it. He loves tech. But then I'm like, okay, well, it's really abstract for him. He doesn't really know. Like he's building these kind of very, very crude, simple games because hasn't even had Boolean algebra as a class yet, so it's hard to teach him, but he's learning. And so it's like, okay, well, I'm going to build an app. I don't know if you've ever played Wordle, the word game.
Of course, love it.
So I decided to build a Wordle trainer first. I'm going to build this app. And then ultimately I built a Wordle, we'll call it a competitor for lack of a better term. Anyway, so Saturday night, I decided to do it with the deadline that Sunday I'm going to launch it to the world. And the motivation here was I wanted to walk him through the process. It's like, okay, Sohan, we talked about this on Saturday evening. I'm writing in the exact same language that you're learning right now. I'm writing it in Python. Tomorrow, we're going to get up and we're going to launch it. And I'm going to show you what Google Analytics is so we can watch traffic coming in. I'm going to show you how I tweet, because he knows what social media is, and what impact that has on the Google Analytics. And I'm going to show you how time zones matter, because as people are waking up and they come across these, like here are all the things that go into it, and we can kind of watch this little thing that was nothing when we woke up this morning, and now is something more than nothing, right? It's not necessarily a blowout success, but that helps connect the dots in his head, right? So now, when he has ideas, he's like, okay, well, I don't have the skills yet to do the thing that Dad just did, but I know it's possible. I know it's possible to take an idea that can be solved through software, and I can actually launch something. This is the beauty of the internet. You don't have to ship floppy. Like, you couldn't do this 20 years ago, but now you can. The entire world is connected by this beautiful thing called the internet. Anyway, and that thing, by the way, took off. Now it has 6 million players. It's called wordplay.com. But he and I kind of share the product management in terms of what features to add, and he uses the app every morning, does the bug testing, and reports stuff back to me. It's awesome.